Here you go, little fishies. Oh, what's poppin', people? Popa Funk popping out another Popalicious video for you guys. And today is the date that Mr. Bean comes to my town. Yes, he does, guys. Mr. Bean comes to my town today. I'm about to get a phone call from GameStop any minute. I can feel it. I know it's coming. I have some resources that have told me that that guy is coming on up the coast and getting ready to drop off to my GameStop any minute now. I pre-ordered 4 of them, so we're going to hopefully get that call today. We're going to go down there, see if we get the chase. Like I said, I pre-ordered 4 of them. I've seen a lot of other people getting like 6 chases at a whack, like tons of chases of this thing. So fingers crossed. I really want this chase so bad. If you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up. And if you really, really like it, hit that subscribe button. As you know, we're doing a huge giveaway right around the corner. Flock Bugs Bunny. We're doing the faker. Keep hitting that subscribe button, guys. We're almost there. It's a super easy giveaway to enter. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, and you're automatically entered for the giveaway. So let's keep hitting it, guys. We're almost there. 1,000 subs right around the corner. I want to thank all you guys so much for all the hospitality you've given me so far. I put up a video every week, so make sure you hit that button. Come on back next week and see what's in store for you next week. Sometimes I'll put up a bonus video in the middle of the week, so look for that, guys. So let's get into this video, see if we get that chase. I know if it's a chase, but you guys don't. See you in a few. All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, have a good day. Thanks. So we just got off the phone with GameStop. They said Mr. Bean is in. They've got him in boxes. Don't know if they have any chases. I'm running over there as fast as I can. Gonna get those boxes open, see if we can't get a couple Mr. Bean chases. We are rushing over there right now. So let's go over there and check it out.
Who's in the box? In the box!
What's in
the box?
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight.
Alright guys, we're back. As you saw, wah, wah, no chase for Popa Funk today. But as I've told a lot of you guys, I'm not messing around with this chase. So what do we do when we don't find the chase? We call to the pop gods. Come on, pop gods, please send me that Mr. Bean chase. I want it so bad. So bad. So bad. Oh, okay. So, prayers have been answered, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got here? It's an Amazon box. Let's find out what's inside of it, huh? There it is. Got it. Alright, guys, let's get inside of this box real quick and see if we got the chase. Like I said, I'm not messing around with this chase. I gotta have it. Not gonna mess around. Not taking my chances. I had to make sure I got it. And obviously, everybody wants this chase, so I knew if I ended up getting more than one, I could easily trade them out. So let's get into this box, guys. Let's see if we got the chase. We didn't have so much luck on the first go around. Did we have it on the second? I see some bubble wrap. You know the bubble wrap's a good sign. Oh, yeah. We got it, guys. We got that chase. Like I said, I wasn't messing around. I knew the chase was in there the whole time, guys. Come on now. I ordered it. So yeah, guys, we got the chase. He is heavily bubble wrapped. Holy smokes. Amazon does not usually ship very well, unless it's a chase, I've noticed. But, like I've said in a couple other videos, in case you guys missed it, you can email them when you order something from Amazon and tell them, look, hey, I'm a collector. It's very important to me that this comes in mint shape, and could you please do a little bit, and, you know, just ask them, can you please do as good a job packaging it as you can? And 9 times out of 10, they will usually do at least a little bit more of a superior job packaging it than normal, I feel like, because every time that I've done that, I get a pop that's usually packaged pretty nicely. So let's get into this, guys. Let's make sure he's in good shape. He looks like it. He's bubble wrapped like crazy. Well, this bubble wrap's not going on anybody else's pop. What? It's in a protector. It's in a Funko Pop protector. I think. Or it's... No, it's not in a protector. It's in another plastic sealed thing. That's pretty cool. I've never seen this before. It's in like a plastic sealed baggie. Never seen this before, guys. That's pretty neat. And of course, it is taped to Fabuza and back. So we're going to just... Where's Fabuza? I don't even know. Anyway, we can get this off and not cut ourselves. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. I will just go ahead and hit that fast forward button for you now. Alright, so thank goodness for that fast forward button. And sometimes be careful what you ask for, because this thing was packaged very well, and I did send him a message and was like, hey man, look, I'm going to be opening this on my YouTube channel. Can you please package it as well as you possibly can? I'm a collector, and I would really appreciate it. And 9 times out of 10 they do. I don't know if having the channel helps or not, but I usually tell them that just because I do open their product on camera, and if it's not in very good shape, I usually try to let you guys know who doesn't care and who does care about their shipping the products, because I know a lot of you guys like to buy them on Amazon as well. So, this is Mr. Bean with the turkey on his head. Check that pop out, guys. He's super, super cool. He's got the turkey on his head. I'm sure you've seen it before. Here's the common, just normal. He's got the little mole under his eye, which I think is super cute. I'll play the clip from this scene right here. It's only in one of his shows where he's actually stuffing a turkey for Thanksgiving, and he's got his watch on and he's stuffing the turkey, you know, and his watch comes off inside the turkey. So he looks inside of it and he can't see it, he doesn't find it, so he's like, because he doesn't really talk, he just kind of like makes noises, and he sticks his head up this turkey's, and he's running around with it. I'll play the clip for you guys, check it out, super funny, Mr. Bean. So yeah, guys, there's that clip. Wicked funny. It's one of the most famous clips, I think, from the Mr. Bean TV show series. So yeah, guys, this pop is awesome. He's a must-have for me. I had to have him. Here's the back of the box with the Mr. Bean in kind of a crazy little stances there. He's got his tie and his teddy bear in the common version, and in the chase version, he's got his hands kind of up like this, like he's kind of grabbing at you. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, as you saw, you don't always get lucky with the pre-orders. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Sometimes you get the chase, sometimes you don't. It was really nice of them to open the boxes in front of me. They don't always do that. Sometimes they'll open them before you get there and see if their chase is in there, and sometimes they'll take them out and they'll tell you they didn't get it. Sometimes they give them to other people. It all depends on who gets there first, but it was really nice of them to open the boxes when I got there, so that was cool. They kind of waited for the first person to show up. They got the pre-orders to open the boxes, which was really nice of them. I appreciated that. Sometimes you got to go up there, especially if it's a chase that you really want, and you got to pay a little bit extra. I paid $26 and some change for this shipped to the house, which really isn't that bad for me. You know, I really wanted it. Some people, it's kind of hard to put that much money up for a pop, but the way I see it, it's really not that much money. That's what I would spend on one of those Marvel Legend figures, or you know, one of these action figures for like $90, and it's something I really wanted in my collection, so I didn't have a problem spending the $20, $26 to get it in my collection. So, hope you guys like this video. As always, smash that thumbs up button. Help other people to collect pops find these videos. Hit the subscribe button so you can win some free stuff, and as always, stay safe, happy hunting. Yee!
The only time you'll ever see me with my head down is when I'm rolling up my weed. Life ain't good, I'ma smoke good, I'ma have a good time. Life ain't good to me, and I found a bitch that's good to me. And she love to smoke good, but she don't like to get real high, real high. Life ain't good to me. Life ain't good.